Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra Saini. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to tell you how you can buy Apple developer programs. Okay, so here what you have to do, I am going to tell you step by step. All the steps I will clarify you in a very easy way, how you have to proceed and which payment you have to use for purchasing the Apple developer account. So let's begin. So at the very first you have to open developer.apple.com. Okay, hit on enter. After that what you have to do, you have to click on account. So once it's open, it will ask you your Apple developer ID. So if you don't have any Apple developer account, so you can create it from the same screen. You just need to click here, create yours now. Okay, so from here you can create your Apple developer ID. Okay, so here this is first name, last name, your country, your birthday, and this must be exact as it is in your document. Okay, here your email ID, it could be anything like at yahoo.com or whatever domain. Okay, password, confirm password. Here you have to provide the country code like +1 for United States, +91 for India, so such like that. Here finally you have to proceed with the mobile number and make sure mobile number must be without country code. Okay, because you are selecting country code from here, so this phone number will be without country code. Okay, so here you have to select the option how you have to verify your phone number, through the text message or through the phone call. Okay, so if you would like to get some announcement from Apple, if you would like to get the updates about applications, music, TV and more, then you have to check, otherwise you can leave it as it is. And finally you have to provide this character inside this edit field. Okay, here two type of character you can provide. You can refresh the same thing, okay, or you can listen how they are speaking. You can type. If you have any problem to read this character, then you can listen and you can proceed with continue. So after click on continue, your Apple ID will be created. You will receive one email in your email ID to verify your email address. Okay, once it's done, so your Apple ID will be successfully created and will be verified as well. After that, again you have to open developer.apple.com. okay, after that you need to click on account, and here you have to log in with your Apple ID. So this is my Apple ID, I am logging with it and I have already entered my password, so I am logged in. Here it's asking two-factor authentication because I enable that, and this is mandatory. I am allowing my phone. After that it will be verified. So here you can see this is the main page after logging into the Apple developer account. Okay, and make sure you must have two-factor authentication with your Apple developer account. Okay, otherwise you cannot buy the programs. So finally what you have to do, you need to click join the developer program. Okay, join the Apple developer program, and from here you can see enroll button. You need to click on enroll. After that, after click on enroll, you will receive such kind of page. Here what all are the information I will tell you. Enrolling as an individual. So how you can enroll as an individual? So you must verify with two-factor authentication. It must be on. Okay, first thing. And second thing, individual means you don't have company, it's your own account. Okay, and second thing, enrolling as an organization. Organization means it could be any type of organization which contain a DUNS number. DUNS number you can get online as well after submitting some form on the basis of government rules and regulations. Okay, So after getting the DUNS number, what you have to do if you are going to enrolling as an individual, if you are going to enroll as an organization. So finally you need to click on start your enroll. After that you have to select individual, company, non-profit business or accredited education institute, like which is government approved, or any government organization like Bharat Sarkar, US government, something like that. Okay, so if you are going to proceed with an individual, click on continue. After that you have to select, you have to accept this terms and condition form. If you would like to read, then you can read the entire document, terms and condition, and you can download it from here. After that you have to click on continue, and then finally you will receive some enrollment ID. Okay, this is your enrollment ID. Now 1 year program is $99. Okay, so you have to click on purchase finally, and after that you have to give your card details. So I am filling my card detail. And one more thing, very important thing I would like to tell you, that your card must be MasterCard, Visa card or American Express. And second thing, it must be credit card. Third thing, it must accept international payment. Okay, otherwise your payment will not succeed. Make sure you have credit card in your hand. Okay, so enter your credit card number. So after filling all these details, you have to click on continue, and this is all your details which you have entered. So once you're done with it, you need to click on place order, and finally your order will be placed. So what you will get here you will get the final confirmation details. So guys, finally it's done, and I have processed with the payment. They are saying that it may take 2 days, 2 business days, and I'm sure that it will be verified. Okay, and after that, up to 2 days, give your time to your development, your skills. Keep enjoying. Happy coding. Wish you luck. Bye bye.